guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm fresh back from Home Bargains and I said to the kids, right, come on, let's go and do a couple of let's go and pick up a couple of things for the airport and the travel down to London. If you don't already know, we are going to Disney World in 13 days. So we are very, very excited. We're on the final countdown now of getting work and working and juggling everything and enjoying the final 2 weeks of being at home before we fly off, and we're very, very excited. So I just wanted to come on and just randomly show you a couple of the things that we have bought for either snacks to have that we're going to take there and then have in our day sacks for the parks. And also we've got some sweets and snacks for the plane. There was obviously 5 of us, so there was a lot, and I just randomly had a couple of things that I'd thrown together to put in the airport bags. So I'm going to show you. It's going to be a bit random and a bit chaotic, but you know, you've been here before, I hope, so you know it's a little bit chaotic, but just keeping it real. It is what it is. Firstly, let's not have any judgment about packeted snacks, because if you're here, I'm a packeted snack kind of gal. Not making anything fresh to take out there. So yeah, if you know, you're my kind of people. So we've got a couple of things that like can't spoil or go out of date quickly or melt because of the heat. So these are a couple of things that we've picked up to have for in the days in the park, rather than spending a fortune on snacks while we're there. So firstly is the Nature Valley bars. Everyone likes this flavour. So there's 20 bars in here. They were like $2.99 from Home Bargains. We've got Jammy Dodgers, party rings, and could not leave these. These are the Stitch chocolate chip cookies. The kids wanted those. Happily got those. We've also got some crisps. So we've got the hula hoop puffs, salt and vinegar crinkles, and I've got these for the plane, because on the plane everyone gets the pretzels and loves the pretzels, but I swear they give you the tiniest bag and there's like 3 pretzels in each bag, so everyone's got a normal size bag of pretzels. We've got the tuck crackers, really easy to have, so either take them in a pot, the whole thing, or a little sandwich bag, because we use sandwich bags for a lot around here. Okay, so some toiletries. I also stocked up on some paracetamol and Nurofen. Always handy to have when you go on holiday for the little ones. Can't not have a full one of those. We've got a hand sanitizer. We've also got the squeezy squash, which I mentioned in the previous video about in America. I can taste the difference in the water, so it's just easier to have some squash to squirt in. We've got a load of different flavours. Easy. Picked up some more hairspray, and Dolly wanted a leave-in conditioner. She also wanted more of this. She'd actually used the whole thing of a previous one, so I was happily buy her a new one of those. It's like a sleek and shine hold. SPF lip balm, chewing gum, because you're actually not allowed chewing gum in the parks because they don't like you littering it. But yeah, picked up one of those because it's nice to have in the bag. I've also got this little sunblock stick, because Everly wears glasses and it's just really handy just to roll on over, because I'm just really worried about how much her glasses reflect the sun, and then she gets sort of not sunburn, but catches the sun. We've got a few sort of medicines, antihistamines. I'll move on to the things I've got for their airport bags. So a lot of this is Home Bargains, some of it is the range. I'll try and let you know what is from where. So first up is a load of stickers for Everly. These were from Hobbycraft. This is from Amazon. It's one of those sticker books. So you have a scene. This is particularly for the airport. You have a scene and then you find the relevant page number and then create the scene using the stickers, which Everly loves. We always do that for swimming while we wait for Grayson at a swim lesson. We've got these, which are lovely. These are like the viral ones from TikTok, but these are actually from the range, which are really, really nice. So we're all sort of getting involved in that. And they also have the card at the back, so you can slip it on in. Sorry, slip it into the page before, so you're not ruining the previous page. So we've got 2 of those. They're lovely. A couple of colouring books. Got to be Disney colouring books. And then we've got another like sticker book with dot to dots and match and find and I Spy and all sorts of things for that on there. We've got more stickers, which Everly's happy with anything like this. So these are the easy peel ones. She'll just happily peel them off. Rubbish will probably go everywhere on the plane, and then she can stick them wherever she wants. This little random squishy thing, just nice to have just random bits to open throughout the flight. We've also got post-it notes, which she'll probably label everybody, stick them on the seat in front of us. Yeah, opportunities are endless with those. These were 19p from Home Bargains. Yes, 19p. And I saw one's Gabby, one's Minions. And they've got like little snacks in, apparently. Don't know how nutritious they're going to be. And a little surprise in each. So she'll happily open those. We've got more pens for that. I wanted to show you Everly's autograph book. We ordered it from eBay and it's lovely. Look at that. Perfect amount and perfect size. And then we usually keep pens like this in a sandwich bag, in the day sack. And then depending which character they see, they choose the relevant colour. So that's that. A little notebook for Everly, because she's just she just wants to write constantly, so we're just going with it. So she can do she's got a fresh notebook for that. Now they've each got one of these little foam fidgets. It's really not messy. They're $1.99 from Home Bargains, so they've got one of those each. Now for the sweets, on the plane, previously we've taken the little toolboxes, and then I'll show you a picture, or I'll see if I can, when we get them down from the loft, I'll add it to the video. But previously we've had the little toolboxes, so it's got the sweets all separate. So I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to take them again, because I'm trying to avoid them carrying so much on their backs, because when you're at the airport it always just seems like everything's really heavy in their rucksack, obviously with all of this. So I wanted to avoid that, but they really want them, so we'll see. I'm either going to fill the tubs of sweets in there, or I'm going to put it in a sandwich bag, so I haven't quite decided yet. But I'm basically just going to show you what I've got to put in their little pick and mix bags. They basically went and just chose a load of things they liked, and hence me coming out today £58 lighter from Home Bargains, which, let's be honest, it's easy done. Right, so we've got a tube of Millions each, a tube of Mentos each. The biggies chose a Wham bar. Everly chose a Flump. Everly's favourite, I'm hoping these are going to survive the heat, Mint Aero balls. She loves those. Vimto fizzy pencils. They've each got a tube of Smarties. These are just for us to have in the bag. Spearmint, soft mints, my fave, I love them. They've got a Freddo each. And then one of these that look like Kinder Buenos, but with a fake Kinder Buenos from Home Bargains. These are my fave. It's the Tornadoes, and they're so good. I basically just cut them with scissors, and then I can fit them in, or they just feels like more. These were 3 for £1.20, I think. Teeth and lips. mushrooms. Sorry if this is really loud on the mic. Milk bottles, flying saucers, crispy M&Ms. These are so good. Tube of fruit pastels each, fruitellas, and they each have a packet of Nerds. And then lastly, 2 out of 3 of them chose these, the little candy sticks. So that's everything that I've kind of combined over the last however long that's going to go in the airport bags or the case for snacks throughout the flight and throughout the stay. I also had a little sort in Everly's room yesterday and thought we would take a couple of things along with us because she bought these last year and I thought she's going to see them and she'll probably then remember that she's got them herself. So these were the little fidget toys. We've got Minnie, Daisy and Mickey. We've got, everyone's going to have their headphones and they're going to have some kind of device, so whether that's their iPad, Dolly's got her phone, Grace will probably have the Switch, and they've all got headphones. She's got a little lanyard, which is a stitch lanyard. That's from Home Bargains. This bag, by the way, was from Asda a couple of years ago, and it's just perfect size for her carry-on. That's that. And then we always have a little bag, normally like a sandwich bag or something, for when we're at restaurants or if you're in the same spot for a little while waiting, just to keep them entertained. So this one is what we've put Everly's bits in. It's a little pencil case, and it basically just has a load of little random little things in. It's got a fidget in, it's got another fidget, it's got a couple of Playmobil characters, it's got Pascal, it's got Stitch, it's just got a couple of little things like that, which is just like a godsend to have in your bag for when you're at a restaurant. They're just happily will just play nicely and sit at the table nicely, or if you're waiting somewhere for a little while, that's ideal. Grayson also chose a little pencil case because he wants to put some Lego people in there, which that was 99p from Home Bargains, so perfect. Lastly, I just wanted to show you, we've got a couple of these. I need to put the lanyards on, but these are the waterproof cases for the phones. So we'll use those in the water parks, and we'll also use them if we're going on a water ride. And they are very trusting. We're trusting of these, and they are actually waterproof, but they're really, really handy. And lastly, I've collected from everyone's room the little shoulder pals. So we've got Chip and Dale. So we basically put the magnet underneath your t-shirt and then they sit on your shoulder or your hat or your bag. So yeah, we've got Chip and Dale, Chip and Remy. Okay, so that is it. That was, I feel like I didn't stop for breath, so I'm sorry about that. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked being a little bit nosy, because I love these kind of videos. Hopefully it gave you some ideas of what to take on the carry-on. If I've forgotten anything, then it's probably going to be too late. So it is what it is. I was going to say comment down below, but it's going to be too late. My camera is flashing that my battery is low, so I do need to go. And we also need to leave in 15 minutes for swim lessons. I just thought I would pop on and literally just show you everything I've got while it's all out, and hopefully get it up quite quickly. If you're seeing this, hopefully the video before this is our Q&A, which I still need to edit and get up, so hopefully it's already up. So go and watch that. That would be that's going to be the next one, and Louie's in it as well, not just me. And yeah, we fly in 14 days, but we're counting down to pre-travel day. We're very, very excited. But yes, I'm going to leave it there. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all of that jazz. We really, really appreciate it, and we're really, really just loving your comments. And if you can support our channel, that would be amazing. We'd really appreciate it. Anyway, I'm going to go to swim lessons and probably go and sweat off my face. And yeah, I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye.